Superfood Evolution presents Oregano. Top benefits of oregano leaves and oil of oregano. Oregano is known for its bittersweet, peppery taste that is popularized for its use as an Italian seasoning. However, there are some very good reasons to keep this potent herbal ally in your medicine cabinet as well as your kitchen spice rack. But first, what is oregano? The main species, Origanum vulgare, is also traditionally referred to as wild marjoram and is related to but not the same as the sweet marjoram, Origanum majorana species, which lacks the main essential oils of oregano. Both come from the family of mints, along with other favorite leafy aromatic herbal spices like rosemary, sage, and thyme. The genus name Origanum is derived from the words oros and ganos, meaning mountain joy, which is proposed to describe the beauty and abundance of wild flowering oregano on mountainous rocky hillsides. The herb, in fact, has been historically viewed as a symbol of joy across many folk traditions, used in rituals celebrating joyous occasions, or energetically utilized to help generate joyous feelings in one's life. Within the genus Origanum, there are several different types native to regions of the Mediterranean. Mediterranean oreganos are known for their spicy, robust flavor and aromatic potency. Sometimes a good quality oregano, like the Greek variety, can be so pungent that it actually numbs one's tongue. The main Greek species is Origanum vulgare hirtum, formerly Origanum heracleoticum, and often distinguished by its dense, hairy, gray-green leaves and white flowers. The species Origanum onites is likewise another type of oregano often utilized by many herbal spice brands and is common to Mediterranean locations of Sicily, Greece, and Turkey. Typically, non-Mediterranean species are less dense, large-leaf varieties of the Origanum genus and considered to be less optimal for culinary use due to their bland taste. Most standard dried oregano spice sold in markets is labeled using the generic term Mediterranean to make the quality distinction. What makes oregano so potent? The fine hairs on the leaf and stems are an indicator that it is a true Mediterranean species. These hairs help to shade the leaf surface, reduce water loss, enable it to withstand hot, dry climates, and most importantly, help the plant to accumulate the natural protection of phenolic substances. Mediterranean oregano loves lots of direct sunshine. This sunlight energy additionally helps to develop and concentrate the rich array of volatile essential oil content found in the leaves. Along with fixed oils, phenols, and flavonoids, this component is responsible for the plant's fragrance as well as contributes to oregano's many health attributes. While ratios of chemical constituents may vary widely depending on plant genetics and where it is grown, the two main active monoterpenoid phenols are carvacrol and thymol, also found in black seed oil and the herb thyme. The oils of oregano may also contain terpenine, rosmaric acid, p-cymene, linalool, caryophyllene, and many other compounds. The leaves, when low-temp dried, tend to preserve a good amount of these natural components. In addition to using the fresh or dried leaves, the oregano plant material is also distilled to concentrate its essential oil content. Likewise, the naturally occurring oils in oregano can also be solvent extracted to condense all compounds that are oil-based. Quality supplement brands utilize supercritical CO2 extraction methods to avoid the use of harsh chemicals. Products commonly called oil of oregano can either be prepared in encapsulated extracts or sold as liquid drops for internal use. Frequently, dietary supplements are blended with other ingredients and/or diluted with olive oil, producing a golden color. Pure oregano essential oil is a clear color and should never be consumed directly. Top 3 benefits of oregano leaves and oil products. Number 1, antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral benefits of oregano. Oregano and its aromatic oil content has been known throughout human history for its antimicrobial and disinfecting influence. The main oils, carvacrol and thymol, are the primary components identified by science to have strong antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. For internal use, oregano herb extracts and oil of oregano herbal supplements can be taken to concentrate these qualities. They are in fact a popular natural alternative sometimes utilized for conditions like candida or parasitic infections, as they have been claimed in research to kill or inhibit the growth of pathogenic intestinal microbes. Oregano essential oils and their germ-fighting effects are also commonly used in essential oil diffusers to help purify the air and may also be used in do-it-yourself sanitizer sprays. Oregano leaves, of course, can also be added to the diet as a spice seasoning, or the fresh herb can be infused into vinegar or olive oil for several days to impart its flavor as well as potentiate its health attributes. Again, it is best to use a Mediterranean or Greek oregano, as these types contain a high concentration of carvacrol according to many sources like the Herb Society of America, hence its intense flavor profile. Number 2, benefits of oregano for digestive and immune support. One of the lesser-known uses of oregano is as a digestive herb. This is mostly due to its spicy, warming qualities and slight bittersweet flavors, which are taste characteristics of both carvacrol and thymol. Herbal extracts, powder or capsules, might be an option to consider for stomach upsets or indigestion after or in between meals. As a digestive spice, the dried or fresh herbs can be sprinkled over foods or can be kept handy as a tabletop jar seasoning. Oregano and its phenolic acids and flavonoids likewise offer antioxidant, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory support for a healthy gut microbiome, as well as its linked connection to optimal immune functions. An oil of oregano supplement can be a good personal care alternative to have in your botanical medicine cabinet to take at the onset of a cold or flu to help fight off pathogens. Number 3, benefits of oregano for respiratory health. One of the most basic ways oregano leaves and oils have been used historically is for respiratory issues. While most people only think of oregano as a standard household kitchen spice, aside from that, it can be a potent herbal ally. And like sage, it is consumed in some folk traditions as a tea for its therapeutic support. Teas can be helpful for coughs, sore throats, nasal congestion, and breaking up phlegm. To make a cup of oregano tea, infuse 1 tablespoon of fresh or 1 teaspoon of dried leaves into hot water and let it steep for 10 minutes. We highly encourage growing your own oregano as a culinary plant so you have the fresh leaves readily on hand when you need them. Herbal respiratory steams using the fresh plant material can also be used for oregano's fragrant, sinus-clearing qualities. Likewise, a drop of high-quality essential oil on a face mask or in an air diffuser can also provide similar benefits. The essential oil also makes a great addition to homemade do-it-yourself vapor rubs due to its thymol content, an ingredient also found in popular commercial vapor rub products. How to use. A jar of straight dried oregano can be a valuable herb to have in your spice rack, not just as an ingredient in Italian herb blends. While it is often combined and goes well with other herbal aromatic varieties, to truly appreciate its unique flavor, we encourage using it from time to time as a primary food and salad seasoning. Oil of oregano is sold as an herbal supplement, usually containing a certain amount of both carvacrol and thymol, with quantity indicated on product labels. Again, we only recommend taking oregano oil products that are intended for oral use. They are commonly available as soft gel capsules or as liquid drops. Straight oregano essential oil should never be used internally as it's too concentrated. Keep in mind, oil of oregano as a prepared dietary supplement is for intermittent use, not to be taken on a regular basis, and usually not more than 10 days in a row or as recommended on product labels. Precautions. Oregano leaves and oil of oregano supplements should be avoided when pregnant or nursing. Consult a qualified healthcare practitioner before using oregano or oregano oil if you have a serious medical condition or are taking prescribed medications. A special thanks to Mountain Rose Herbs for their high-quality oregano products. Superfood Evolution is sponsored by Mountain Rose Herbs. However, opinions expressed here are completely our own. Thanks for watching. For more in-depth info as well as the best sources of oregano products we know of, be sure and investigate the links in the description box below this video. Please support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. And be sure and check out these other informational videos.